Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trio Techies. My name is Ankur and in today's video I am going to show you how can you tag someone in your Instagram post. So friends, I am going to create a post and then I will show you how to tag someone in that post, okay? Open your Instagram app and in order to create a post, just click on the plus sign towards the top right corner of the app. Once you click on the plus sign, you will get four options over there: post, story, reel, and live. I am going to create a post and then will tag one of my friends who is in my followers list in that post, okay? So just click on post. Once you do that, you will have access to your gallery. From the gallery, you can select which picture you want to upload, either picture or video which you want to upload. Let's say I'm going to upload this picture on my post. So I have selected this picture. After selecting the picture, click on the arrow towards the top right corner. Once you do that, you will get to a second page of creating a post. On this page, you can give any shade to your picture from here. If you don't want to do that, you can just keep it to normal and then click on the arrow towards the top right corner. Once you do that, you will reach to the final page of creating the post. On this page, you can give a caption to your post. If you just want to upload this particular post only on Instagram, you don't have to toggle it on, okay? Now, in order to tag people, you need to click on this tag people option. Once you do that, you will see the same picture or video which you are going to upload in the post. You have to click on that picture. So in the search bar, you have to type your friend's user ID. Once you do that, you will see the name appear here or the user ID appear here. Just click on that particular user ID which you want to tag. And if you see, this friend of mine has been added to this particular post. Okay. If by mistake you have selected somebody else which you do not want to get tagged in this post, you can just click on this cross sign. You see just towards the top right side of this name, you will see a cross sign. You can cross it out and the tag will be removed. Okay. You can tag multiple people. You can again click on this picture and you can search for any other user or follower from the search bar and tag with the same process. All right. Once done, click on the tick mark towards the top right corner and that particular friend or follower has been tagged to this post. Now, final step is to click the tick mark towards the top right corner of this page. Once you do that, your post will be created. All right. So you see this post has been created just now, 2 seconds ago. And if you click on this icon, you can see who has been tagged in this particular post. All right. So this is how you can tag anyone in your Instagram post. If you want to tag somebody in your Instagram story, there is a different process to do that. If you want to know how to tag someone on Instagram story, do let us know in the comment section and I will make another video on that. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and let us know in the comment section if you have any queries. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.